Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about something that many WhatsApp users become curious about at some point. How to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. Unlike other social media platforms, WhatsApp does not directly notify you when someone blocks you. This is to maintain the privacy and safety of its users. However, there are several subtle signs and clues that can strongly indicate whether you've been blocked. Let's get started. 1. Check the last seen or online status. Open your chat with the person you suspect may have blocked you. Normally, below the contact name, you'll see last seen at online when they're using WhatsApp. If this disappears completely, it may be because you've been blocked. But this alone isn't proof. The person may have turned off last seen in privacy settings. 2. Look at the profile picture. If you can no longer see the contact's profile photo, and it appears as a blank or default icon, that's another clue. However, some users may remove their profile picture or limit it to certain contacts. So again, not a guarantee, but suspicious if combined with other signs. 3. Messages show only one checkmark. Try sending them a message. Normally, a message shows one checkmark is sent, 2 checkmarks is delivered, blue checkmarks is read. If your message only shows one checkmark and never becomes 2, this is a strong indicator that you've been blocked. Even if they're online or using WhatsApp, the message won't reach them. 4. WhatsApp calls won't go through. Try placing a voice or video call to the contact. If it never connects, or always says calling instead of ringing, that's another signal. People who block you on WhatsApp won't receive your calls at all. 5. Try adding the contact to a group. This is one of the most revealing tricks. 1. Try to create a new WhatsApp group. 2. Add the person you think may have blocked you. If you get a message saying, "Couldn't add one member, please try again later," it's almost certain you've been blocked. Important notes. 1. Any one of these signs alone is not 100% proof. 2. But if you notice 3 or more of these signs together, it's highly likely that the person has blocked you. 3. WhatsApp intentionally keeps it vague to protect user privacy. If you've experienced all of these, the person has most likely blocked you. While it can feel uncomfortable, it's best to respect their decision and move forward. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.